Welcome to Smokin' Sailor Barbecue. I'm Pennywise, and this is how you make award-winning Texas chili. The first step is that we're going to roast these chilies in the oven at 500 degrees, and halfway through, we're going to turn them over, and then you're going to have to make sure that they're brown by the time that you pull them out. After you pull them out of the oven, you're going to wrap them in foil paper and let them sit for about 5 minutes. So let's roast these for about 15 to 20 minutes. Right here, you want to make sure that the oven rack is near the top. So while you're waiting for the peppers to roast, we're going to go ahead and start cooking the bacon. Now you're going to turn the peppers over halfway and let them roast another 5 to 10 minutes. The chilies have roasted for about 20 minutes now, and I'm going to pull them out, wrap them in aluminum foil for about 5 minutes until I can peel the skins off easily. After you finish cooking your bacon, you're going to want to take it off, set it aside, and let it cool down. Make sure you don't overcook it because you're going to cut this up after it cools down, and you're going to put it in the mix with your chili. Once you are done cooking your bacon, you want to make sure to leave all of the bacon grease so that you're going to use it while you cook the meat. Now that we're done, we're going to chop, cut up, and devein, take away the seeds on the 2 Anaheim chilies and the 2 poblano chilies. Now I'm adding 6 ounces of chorizo to the pan. Now that the chorizo has cooked all the way, we're going to go ahead and add the cubed beef, the ground chuck, which was about a half a pound. And then we're going to cook that on medium high until it's lightly browned. Now I want you to add 1 yellow onion that is diced and 1 jalapeno that is fire roasted and diced. Now you add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage. Now I'm adding all of the spices that are listed on the left. All right, folks, the chili is done. It's been cooking on low for about 2 hours. So let's go ahead and dig in and try it. And that is some delicious chili.